Hadin ka jingla ban kem no yuba me ban shem snaitang na Pyrshah kamin sekretariat hagajan miet jong san tarik nailur arajarpsan. Bat ban kurup ya laitli ki kaliram ki tiar siat ki bidai ki airgun ki walkie talkie bat ki tactical vest nakaliang ki pulet ya menta ki ong pakin sa register case Pyrshah yu bat menta kin sa tokit benya ban lap ban yoklum ya ki jingtip baro. Habakran kilat patai kubor hadin balala ban pendep shuai ke kam Nagaliang uba Vivek CM USP ke East Castle Sulaong baga jingkiam ya u kadai hadien ke jingyo i jong ki pulet ya ke jingyang ki kali ki bata yit yong bat ki bayang Pyrshah kamin sekretariat bala pelong iki ban lej talasi Haduh ban yok kurup iki Atiar ki bakentup ya santeli ki nitro airgun arteli ki air pistol ki walkie talkie bat ki wei Nakaliang USP Ulaong ka jingkiam yu meban kadai ka bau la penbuat ban pen i sya ka perthai pakidai kum ki brio jong ka an ka bau la bu Haduh khat ar ngut ki Nongbud ki kali ta yit yong haringkat ka siren padru ban penhap apo ka arms act namare ki air pistol hi umla ban ra haki chaka pajba uba Vivek Ulaong ru bai ka jingthmu jong ubasha kem ban le kumtai insala ban patai benya hadien ndaladap ban toket.
Well, today at about 2:30 p.m. One Audi was a black Scorpio and a Toyota Innova were found parked just near Shoppers Stop, which is just opposite the Secretariat, and they were found with tinted glasses. So police personnel from SP's office went to check them, and when they went to check these vehicles and all that, because they were with tinted glasses, and one vehicle was without any number plate, and they found a group of people, about 12 in numbers, all wearing dressed in black. And so immediately the SOT was alerted and all that, and they rushed to that spot and all that. And on searching the vehicle, we found magazine pouches. I think about 6 magazine pouches, about 5 handheld walkie-talkie sets, then about 5 air guns and 2 air pistols, and these people were taken to Sar police station after that for conducting formalities. These items were seized and all that. So as of now, we are also conducting search and all that to ascertain if there are any more items which are incriminating in nature. We'll be taking up a case in Sadar PS for impersonating as law enforcement agency personnel and also under the Arms Act. So one vehicle had a siren and all that, and all these vehicles are owned by one Meban Shem Snaitang, 25 years. He is a resident of Boxer, and he has been taking these people around, moving around with siren, with tinted glass and all that. So the motive behind it will be further established after we have investigated and all that. Apparently, it appears that this person, Mebansham Snaitang, is using 12 people, if 12 people dressed in black and carrying those kind of weapons, probably with a motive to intimidate, probably with a motive to show that he is probably in a position of power, so that he could either influence, intimidate, or get his way through. So that is what preliminary findings indicate. But yet we will actually have an in-depth investigation into the matter, and then we can ascertain as to what is really the purpose of carrying 12 people, tinted glass, siren, and all that, and these are all illegal.
And can you tell us the guns, air guns, are we allowed to carry any lemon?
See, regarding air pistols and all that, if you use an air pistol, it's either to be kept at home and only to be used in certain places which is probably if it's in a forested area and all that, but you cannot carry them publicly. The purpose of carrying these type of guns, they are not conventional air pistols. Now we need to see the caliber of these air pistols also, for which we'll have to send to the forensic laboratory coupled with the outfit they are wearing and the magazine pouches and the walkie-talkies and tinted glass. These combined in combination and all that have a different motive altogether. So which demands and compels investigation, further investigation.
The individual was saying that he's a social worker, he's a
See, in the social worker, I haven't come across any social worker who dresses or who walks around with 12 men in an intimidating manner. So I totally beg to differ with you that, or beg to differ with that kind of a stand that a person is a social worker. I mean, you don't walk around with those kind of weapons. So it demands further investigation. Right now, it's
Total
just, yes.
13 men were
12 men plus with this other accused Meban Shams Naitang.
so
13.
total 13 men were
Yes.
Arrested.
Yes. See, we are yet to register the case and all that. Right now, other formalities are going on. So probably intimidation, arms act, impersonation of police personnel. And like I said, why would a person move around with 12 people that also who act like henchmen and with weapons inside and magazine pouches? I mean, we are yet to ascertain actually why he parked out there. Whether he was really going for shopping in Shoppers Stop? I will get to know once the investigation team updates me on that regarding why they parked actually just near the secretariat. See, private security. Number one is we have to ascertain whether now if you're private security, they always have the name of the security agency. Now there's nothing which shows whether they are from any security agency and all that. There's nothing. The air pistols, air guns, on being asked by those men, they said that is being given by the owner only. Usually the security agency provides all that. So we need also to ascertain whether they are affiliated with any security agency or any other organization also. At first glance and on preliminary investigation, doesn't appear that he belongs to any band outfit or to any underground and all that. The motive is I think is different, but nonetheless we will actually we will investigate into all matters, all potters and all that. For the common man and all that, yes, they would, anybody seeing that kind of weapon by people dressed in black, people with magazine pouches, even for a person also who actually knows weaponry also, but seeing that those kind, because they are not conventional air guns or air pistols. If you look at the air pistol, it looks like a 9mm or it looks like a 9mm Browning. So these look very much like semi-automatic or automatic weapons and all that. Nobody will think that they are conventional weapons. By the look of it, it looks intimidating, and so that itself is indicates a wrongful motive.
to us. He was telling that he is a leader of some JMC something.
GMC.
See, I'm yet to get all these facts and all that because the team is still investigating and they are still doing many other things which we need to ascertain. And whether he is affiliated with this organization or that organization, that will.
So apparently, it appears he is a wealthy man who can employ 12 men, get the air guns.
I think that speaks for itself because 3 vehicles and all that, 12 men, and I think much more assets will be there. So probably the sources of income also could be there.
Is he promising people of job, or is he a staff of MPSC?
Madam, we have just got these people. They will be questioned thoroughly. What is the motive? Why, if he is actually apprehensive of anything, what is he apprehensive of? He must be if it's apprehensive, then there must be something he's apprehensive of. If he has another motive of using them, then we will come to know in due course of time. He has authority, and he has, if you're using a siren, you're using tinted glasses. Only certain categories, only Z categories are Z plus Z allowed to use, and certain unless you have got permission from the government, you can use tinted glass. Nobody can use tinted glass. Why? Even myself and all other officers in this office, we cannot use tinted glass. But certain categories have because of the security threat. So if this person is using that, he is trying probably to project well outside that he is somebody. And if you're projecting that means you might be having a motive. And having 12 men around you, not only does it doesn't exude fear, and but also, or psychosis, but also in case you have any deal and all that, you ensure that it is enforced because of the muscle men around you.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kishab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la aikan diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki mar ba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya